Hey everybody, Robert from Kapwing here, and I'm sure you've seen this Bill Clinton meme going around lately. It's a huge challenge on Instagram right now. Let's do a quick tutorial today and see how this Bill Clinton with records meme is made. We have a template for it on Kapwing, and you can make it in just a few clicks. So we'll go right over to the studio and see how it's done. Okay, so to get started on the Bill Clinton album challenge, we're going to go to the album challenge meme template here on Kapwing. Now, if you look down in the description of this video, the very first link you'll see right at the top of that description will be to this template. This is where you're going to go to start making this meme. So we'll click Make It once we're ready to start here. And the way this template works is actually pretty simple. This is just a picture of Bill with the albums, and it's cut out with a transparent background. So I'm going to put Bill back in the center there. He's the first layer. And when I start adding my album art in, I'm going to send it back behind this layer so that it fits perfectly into the picture. So I've got a few albums already open here. I just use Google image search to find these. So we'll start with this Grimes record. And it's just as simple as clicking copy image and then going into the Kapwing file and pasting it right in. So that'll bring that image in there. I can size it down a bit here and get it ready to go in the template here. So I'm using the rotate button beneath the album there to put it kind of in a position that fits right here. If I can't get it exactly in line with the cutout, that's okay. And once I'm ready, that looks pretty good to me. Just want to make sure no checkerboard is showing. I can then, with my image selected, click the Send Backward button here on the right tab, and it falls right into place there behind Bill. Looks pretty good. So next, I'm going to go to this Lil Uzi album cover, copy image. I really like this album cover. I think it fits well into this image. It's very colorful and bright and eye-catching. So I'm going to put that one right inside his hand here. So I'm going to bring it down to size. And again, I'm going to line it up before I send the layer back behind the image of Bill Clinton. So just want to make sure no checkerboard is showing. That looks pretty good. And send backward. There we go. So you kind of get the idea of what I'm doing here. Let's open another one. This is the new Playboi Carti single. Incredible song. Not technically an album, but, you know, Bill Clinton would probably rock with it here. So we're going to go lock ratio, bring that down again. Let's see if we can get Carti to fit on the floor right here. Put that in there. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist when it comes to this stuff, so you'll have to excuse me. And then I'll send it backward. And then there's Carti behind Bill now. So finally, to close it out, we've got the Soccer Mommy record from 2020. Incredible record. Definitely check it out if you haven't yet. This kind of shows, you know, Bill's got some range here. He's not just a hip-hop head. He's got, you know, a lot of different albums on his rotation right now. So this one, select it. Can rotate it as need be. Looks like we might need to rotate a little more there. A little more there. And let's drop it in. So once again, we're just hitting send backward. And there we go. The meme is built. That was pretty quick and pretty darn easy. If you need to make adjustments afterwards, you can also do that as well. You know, move this around, try and get the albums a little more locked into place. But yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out. Oh, it looks like over here I can see on my Playboi Carti layer that I have a little bit of checkerboard showing. Not sure if anyone would notice that, but it would be kind of annoying if they did. So I'm going to actually rotate him a bit. Try and fix that there. So, you know, it's all up to you how much of a perfectionist you're going to be about this stuff. I mean, these memes, they don't require total perfection, but you know. Okay. So Carti just needs to rotate a little more, be a little larger. That might help my issue here. So I'll bring him back in. Make sure he's not cutting into Uzi at all there. And there we go. Not seeing any checkerboard anymore. So once you're done, I will just click Publish right here in the top right-hand corner. And there is our Bill Clinton album challenge meme. He's listening to Playboi Carti, Lil Uzi Vert, Grimes, and Soccer Mommy. Bill Clinton has the same taste in music as me. He obviously has great taste. So these memes are super popular right now. Everyone's posting them on their Instagram story, it seems like. So head over to this template, make one for yourself, show your friends what you're listening to or what your favorite records of all time are. you got nothing better to do. It's just for fun, you know. This has been Robert from Kapwing showing you how to do the Bill Clinton album challenge. I'm doing new tutorials all the time, so if you like this video, click that like button down below, subscribe to the channel. We'll have a lot more for you soon. Thanks for watching today.